So,
Catalea, is our new home. See, this is the one that I was talking about right here. That small.
It really smells like. Ooh, this is not good. Mom, this is not good.
It don't smell good? Oh no, you know what it smells? It's paint. This is what I'm glad we got a pantry right here.
That's what Mom was looking for.
Yes.
You recording?
Yes, she recording. Yeah, you not. That funny.
I gotta get our initial reactions, babe.
Already got some ice made in there.
Oh yes, it's an ice maker.
Ice maker.
Sweet.
Oh,
sorry.
What's here?
Catalea, this your new house?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go see. What is this room right here?
It's just a storage, like, but it's a big storage.
Oh, we can walk in here. What is that?
It's a new house.
She said it's a new house.
It's a new house.
This is
There's storage in the garage, babe. So now we are trying out another pho restaurant, Grilled Ginger. Let's see what this one is about. Look at this waterfall.
I wonder what would happen if I touched it.
Very nice.
Why?
I really like it here. So Daryl ordered us these coconut drinks. We'll see. Ken's got a Thai tea, bubble tea.
It's my favorite. You can't expect me to go here.
Is it recording? What's up, world? Let me fix myself real quick. We in the Nissan wheelbarrow 2017. You hear me? Alright? Look at my driver right here. All focus and everything. You know? Don't even worry about the minor things. You know? Yeah. See? All them new things right there. Oh, this thing is so... See?
Flip the screen so you can see what you're showing on.
I got this, alright?
Is this 0.2 miles? Oh, yeah. So,
pay attention to the road.
I am.
See them cops right there?
See the Waffle House? What?
That Popeyes is so hot, it's on fire. Yeah. All of them hungry.
No, it's a car wreck.
Oh, no, it's a car wreck. God, oh my Lord.
Popeyes, oh my gosh.
They hungry, going for Popeyes. On fire, real hot.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Owen Drive.
And then, man, I need some medicine.
Hey, look out.
Alright, sorry.
What did she say?
2017 right here.
It's nice. I think I could, yeah, I could see myself.
Why is this thing so wobbly? Why is it not staying?
You wobbling.
Alright.
I think I could see myself in one of these.
See this car? Can't miss them Crocs though. Look at them Crocs, yeah. Yeah.
Like the worst hugger ever.
Catalea, say what's up. Alright, alright. See, she got her legs kicked up and everything. See? Yeah. Show them socks. Alright. Bye.
Hi guys, so me and mommy are getting ready to go to Walmart for the first time in North Carolina. And yeah, we got a new car, rental car. It's really nice, actually. As you saw in the scene before. I think you saw it in the scene before with Daddy. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to Walmart. No, I wanted to start it. Oh. We're riding in the 2017 Nissan something. Altima. There you go. Say hi.
Hi, y'all can't see me. I don't feel good. I'm sick. Like, really I think I'm gonna have allergies here. Pretty bad. Or something.
Her and Kat. Oh, so I miss my friends in AK so much. One of them did me a video, made a Musical.ly video for me, and it was so sweet. Yeah, I miss Alaska. Someone.
Man, I need internet.
Somebody mad because she ain't got internet. I am too. I need to post Musical.lys. I've been making Musical.lys all day and nothing to post them on. And
oh, I do got a camera.
I'm about to back out. Back out. And yeah, I like it here so far. Our house is pretty nice. Mommy will give you guys a room tour. Oh, it's kind of dark, but yeah, I'm really just talking. So Mommy will give you guys a house tour at some point. Got anything you want to say to the people?
No, it's crazy, like having to like restock your house after PCS. It's super expensive, but it's kind of fun though, but it's still crazy expensive.
Yeah,
of course we getting stuff that we need, not just to be getting it, but it's still, yeah, it's crazy.
Trying to pull in and Daddy ain't got the layup. He hiding now.
Hello beautiful people, today is November 4th. You guys, I feel like pure crap right now. Like, I do not feel good. Ever since I got here, like a day after I got here, I started feeling like sore throat, and now I don't know if you can hear the congestion that is going on up in my head right now, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna have like super bad allergies here because these past couple days have been torture and my throat hurts so bad. But right now, look what we got. For the first time in so long, Chick-fil-A. I'm about to go in on this Chick-fil-A, y'all. Right now we are at the dealership getting a new car. Yay! So we've been here like a long time, like half the day. But yeah, I'm super excited that we'll have 2 cars again. And yeah, because like I said, I think I told y'all in other vlogs that we sold my car whenever we left Alaska. So now that we're here in the States, we're gonna obviously need a second car. So we just decided to go ahead and get it today. And then on Monday, I think we're gonna be driving to South Carolina to pick up the truck because it's finally here. So we shouldn't be in a rental car. Well, we're gonna go and drop the rental car off as soon as we leave here to save our coins, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I just wanted to come on and update y'all. I'm about to go in on this Chick-fil-A right now. Chick-fil-A is back here sleeping. And Mackenzie back here, and I am actually about to get ready to go back into the dealership with Daryl. So I'll talk to you guys later. And don't mind the way I'm looking right now. As I told y'all, I'm not feeling good. And I just look a mess. Like, I look how I feel, but it's what it is, you know? Anyways, you guys, If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so that you can get notifications when we put up new videos. I know that this vlog was all over the place, but bear with me because better vlogs are to come, you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting our channel. And once again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and support our channel and help us to grow. I hit 300 subscribers, you guys, so keep on subscribing. I will talk to you guys in my next vlog. Peace.